Hey everyone, how's it going? So now that we've added this Font Awesome link to our project, what we're going to do is make a start and actually add the icons to the nav bar. So if I bring this across, you're going to see that we got these icons on the side, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking a bunch of icons and then adding them to the side. So let me move that out of the way, and I'll pull up Font Awesome's website again. So if I go over to here now, you should see this search box at the top there, which allows you to search for icons. But if you're from the home page, you can access this by clicking the icons button if you don't see the search bar. Okay, it's all the same. So either way, we're going to search for some icons now. So the first one we need is a kind of like a logo. So I've used a little bird. Twitter has their bird, but I've just found, I think it's a dove or something. But what I'm going to do is just search for bird. You can obviously use whatever logo you want. You can use this, a turkey? Not a chicken. It says the name right there. Is this turkey if you want, or a kiwi bird. So this is the one I used, a dove. So if you want to do the same as me, you can do. So I just clicked on it, and you can see we have this right here. Now, this is obviously HTML code. I know we're using Pug, but this will be super easy to convert because the only thing we care about here is obviously the I tag, but also the classes. So what we're going to do is keep note of these classes here. So FAS and then another class for FA-Dove. So let's go and add that. So what I'm going to do is go to the nav and then get rid of this span nav bar. We don't need that. And then we're going to add an anchor tag. Now this is a link, so we're going to wrap the icons inside of an anchor tag. So if I press enter, we'll get an href. And this one is obviously the logo, so we just want it to go to the home page when we click it. So just put a dash, which essentially just takes us to the root of our website. Okay, great. So then inside of that anchor tag, so I'm going to press enter and then tab across, so we're now inside of the anchor tag. We're going to do an I tag, and we'll give this the class FAS, because I think that's what it was. You'll see FAS as a class there. And then we've got another class for FA-Dove. So let's go ahead and add that too. So one class FAS and another one FA-Dove, like this. And we should now see an icon with a bird. And we do, it's right there. So, and if I click that, it takes us to this home page. Obviously, we're already on the home page, so you're not seeing it do much. But yeah, it works. I know the styling's not right yet, but we'll come back to that and do that very shortly. So we want 6 more icons. So what we're going to do is copy that and then paste it below 6 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we've got 6 of those little birds. So we've got a whole flock of them. And then what we're going to do is just replace these icons one by one, of course. So the first one is going to be the home button. If I show you again on my finished version, you'll see we've got the house right there. So let's add that. So we'll go back to here, go to the Font Awesome website and just search for a house. And let's see what there is. You can take any of these, of course. I forget which one I used. I think it was this one. So I used this one, but this is for pro licenses only. So the icons you see here are only included with the pro license. Now, what that means is you have to pay. I think I paid like £70 or something like that, 70 British pounds. I don't know what that is in other currencies. But you get access to the pro icons, which are essentially usually a little bit thinner, a little bit nicer looking. You see, you got this like gradient colors and stuff. Whereas the free one just gives you access to the basic ones. So if you're not going to upgrade to the paid version, just go ahead and find a free version that you like. So a free icon with a house. So what you can do actually is click this link at the side and you get only the free ones too. So we've got a house right there. That'll do. Let's see if there's anything else. So there isn't a massive amount in the way of free ones. This is kind of our best option, I think, or maybe this one. There used to be a lot more, I thought, for free icons, but I guess they're putting more and more behind the paywall. Anyway, we are going to take the classes FAS and FA-Home. So let's go to here and then type in FAS and then FA-Home for the house icon. Now, the link for this can stay the same because the home button is also going to take us to the home page. So let's go to here, refresh the page, and we should see a house. Great. So what I'm going to do, to try and save some time, I'm going to go through and add all of the icons I've got right here. And then if you want to keep them, you can. You can copy my classes. If you don't, you can obviously go and find your own icon. I'm pretty sure you know how to do that now. Just search for it and then copy the classes. It's that simple. So I've got them right here. I'll copy it out. So this one's going to be FA search. And this is going to take us to the search page. So the link for that one is going to be -search. We got the next one, which is going to be FA-bell, because this is going to be the notifications link. So the link for that will be notifications. The one after that is going to be FA-envelope. You can see they all follow a sort of trend where the only thing it changes is after the FA-. And let's add the link as messages. The next one's going to be the profile, so it's going to be FA-user, and then the link is going to be profile. And then the last one is going to be the logout button. So we're going to have this one's FA sign-out-alt. Let's see if that works. I don't know if there's a work with the free one, but we'll find out and we can fix any that don't work. So the link for this one is just going to be logout. Let's give that a save and see which ones worked and which ones didn't. So I think they all worked. So you can see right there, it might be hard for you guys to see. Can I make this any bigger just for now? We'll fix this when we fix the style, of course. But you can see we've got a bird, house, a magnifying glass, a bell, an envelope, a user, and a logout button. And of course, each of them link to a page, but we haven't done them yet. So if I click on this one, for example, we'll get an error. But that's to be expected until we actually implement those pages. So anyway, if you want to copy my icons, you can. Just copy those classes. If not, you can go ahead and search for your icons on Font Awesome and find one you do like. Now, the good news is if you upgraded to the Pro version, you'd only need to change this first part, this FAS. So you'd just change this FAS to FAL, and then the same for all these, FAL, FAL. And then it would go and retrieve this icon's version from that file, which is the better looking one. But that's it. You got some icons now, and we can make a start and actually style these.